Hello and welcome to Big Life, Big Dreams. How's your day going? How's your night going? Well, I'm here to give you some fantastic information and some information about this wonderful book called The Magic. That's right, The Magic. That was written by Rhonda Burns from The Secret. She's the lady that believed in the law of attraction. And you know what? She wrote this wonderful book called The Magic. And The Magic is actually about taking action. And I want to tell you how we can actually do the magic challenge together, and you can take action and get some fantastic results in your finances, in your relationships, in any area of your life that you feel that's important. I'm here to tell you that the magic is about gratitude, and the gratitude and utilizing the law of attraction together, and how it's just like pouring gas on a fire. It's going to ignite it, and it is going to actually give you amazing results. So I'm really excited about doing this magic challenge with you. And remember, Big Life, Big Dreams we are all about trying to make sure that you succeed and you achieve and you thrive and get everything that you want and you deserve out of this life. Remember, you deserve the best, and we're going to make sure that you have all the tools available to do just that. And I'm here to tell you, the magic is one of those tools that can actually help you get to your next journey of achievement even quicker than you could have ever thought of. You guys, I utilized this my darn self, and it actually worked. I was doing this MLM with this guy, and he actually said to me, he goes, I don't know. All I know is that the stuff works, Cheryl. Try the magic. And I'm like, okay, sure, I'll give it a shot. So the magic is this 27-day challenge that you can actually take. It's a 27-day journey that you go on that's about gratitude. And the first day is all about you writing down 10 things that you're actually grateful for. But you don't only write down those 10 things that you're grateful for. You actually, what you want to do is write down why you're grateful for them. And the reason why you want to write down why is because it evokes the feeling. And remember that feelings are vibrations. And once you have that feeling and that vibration, it takes you into action. And it actually brings on that law of attraction. It brings like things towards you. So when you begin to utilize gratitude, it actually becomes like this fire, this fuel that will actually bring your goal into reality so much quicker. You just have to try it. I tried this challenge myself. I think it's been about 2 years ago. And what it did for me, you guys, there's a portion of it that goes into debt. And you know what? I did what it said to do. I had faith that it would work. And that's one thing you got to do, you guys. You have to believe that it can work for you. So I'm here to tell you it has worked for others. So I know it can work for you. It worked for me. Okay. But I used it and I was actually debt free. It got rid of my credit card debt. And I'm here to tell you it can do that and more wonderful things for you. I was having trouble with a loved one that I have and that I love very much. It was my brother, to be specific. And I utilized the magic regarding that relationship. And today, you guys, we have a great relationship. So I'm here to tell you that this stuff really works if you believe. Remember, whatever the mind can believe, you can achieve it. And it really does start with belief and action. You must take action. I'm all about the law of attraction, but I'm all about that law of action. You must do. And it's about reciprocation. You know, what you do something, it's going to come back, okay? Action and reaction. So you have to take action, and you want to take positive action so that you can get positive reactions. And that's one thing that this will do for you. So day one, remember, our first challenge is what we're going to do, you guys. We're going to write down 10 things that we're thankful for, and we're going to write down why. And it really is going to evoke that feeling. And I want you to write down as much why, because that's what's going to evoke that feeling, you guys. So it's all about that why. So, and you'll know what you're really truly thankful for if you have a great why. So start right there. And then what happens is that every day you build upon this. This becomes momentum, and it gets you into gratitude, and it gets that power going. And then day two, It's all about, and remember, you guys, there's so many things that you can be thankful for. Be thankful just that you woke up in the morning. Be thankful that you can see, that you have sight. Be thankful that you can breathe. Be thankful for the loved ones in your life. Be thankful for everything that is going on in your life, because trust me, it's a blessing. So look for the good things. That's really what it teaches you, to look for the good. And then day 2 is all about grabbing this rock. So I want you to grab your magic rock. And when you grab your magic rock, you want to look for something that's smooth and that you can hold in the palm of your hand so you can hold it. Because what you're going to do, remember, you're starting your day off with the 10 things that you're thankful for and the reason why. And then you're ending your night with the things that you're grateful for that you experienced that day. You're going to take a moment and you're going to reflect on all the things that happened during the day, and you're going to look for all the good things that happened. And what you're going to find out is that there's going to be many things that happen throughout that day. So what'll happen is that you start your day off in the morning with the things that you're thankful for, and you end your night with the things that you're grateful for, and you're dreaming and you're thinking about all this good thing, and it's just momentum that builds, that builds, that builds. So you've got day 1 and you got day 2 right now, and I'll be back with you for day 3 and 4. Remember, we're doing the magic challenge. It's the 27-day challenge to getting what you want out of this life. If you want something good, you want better relationships, you want better health, you want better finances, take the challenge with me and comment with me. Go on my Facebook. My Facebook is Big Life, Big Dreams with Cheryl. So I want you to click on the Big Life, Big Dreams with Cheryl and do the magic challenge, because we're going to take this challenge together, and I want you to comment and let me know if you've done this challenge before, if you've ever heard about this, what did you hear about it, if you tried it, how did it work out for you, and if you're going to try it with us. And if you're trying it with us, I want every day for you to comment what you're thankful for and how it worked for you, and if you're even feeling a difference. We're doing it together. It's 27 days of the magic challenge with Big Life, Big Dreams with Cheryl. We're doing it together, and trust me, you're going to get amazing results. This stuff really works, you guys. I promise it really, really works. And there's nothing bad you're doing. There's nothing bad you're doing. Trust me. The Lord said that if you believe, that he will give to you, that wherever 2 or 3 are gathered, that he is there in the midst. And we're doing this together, you guys. And so he's going to be in the midst. He's going to be with us as we do this challenge. Hey, I'm a believer. I believe in the Lord, and I believe in the laws of the universe, because you know what? He made them. And remember, what laws are something that's going to happen no matter who you are, no matter what. Meaning that if you are the best person in the world, but you jump off of a roof, you're going to fall and you're going to hurt yourself. And if you're the best person in the world and you jump off a roof, the same thing's going to happen to you. That's the law of gravity. So these are the laws of the universe. These things are going to happen. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn to utilize them to actually bring the good to us in our lives, okay? And it's about what you focus on. If you focus on negative stuff will happen. Energy goes where you focus. So we want to focus and put our energy on the good things and the positive things that we want to bring into our lives. And this challenge is going to help you do just that. And we're going to do it together. So make sure you go to my Facebook. Remember, we're doing the magic challenge, the 27-day challenge to getting abundance in your life. Whatever it is you want, let me know what it is that you're going to be going after. We're going to set that goal and laser target up on there. Remember, I'm that thinking until results coach, and we're going to do this together, you guys, okay? So below here, make sure that you subscribe to us. Get your friends to join with us. Let's all do it together. Make sure to subscribe, click, follow us on our Facebook, on YouTube, and remember that you're going to be right here, and I'll be right here with you, and we're doing this challenge every 2 days. I'll come on and we'll go over this together, you guys, all right? So make sure to look for these videos that'll be coming to you, and today is our first day of the magic challenge, and let's watch amazing results in your life happen, okay? Let's do it together. Bye.